drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been.
But it's change, but it's fame, but
Can you play that again?
but it's for this, but it's
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shadira and welcome back. I always say welcome back twice. I don't know why. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah. So this look right here, I don't know, it was kind of complicated for me this go around because I felt like I was defeated doing this look. I don't know why. But I'm still learning and yeah, I'm getting a little better, I guess. This is my third time recording this video. The first time I did it, girl, I looked casket ready. No offense, but I looked casket ready, so I wiped it off. Second time, I was too orange. This time, I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I'm getting used to doing makeup. I'm not used to doing makeup, but I'm getting used to doing makeup. And like I told y'all before in some of my previous videos, my youngest daughter usually do my makeup. But being that I had a little time on my hand, even though I'm working, I had a little time on my hand to do my little research and watch some tutorials on how to do makeup and just watch her how she do her makeup. And then I guess, yeah. So now we're here. In order for you to get this look or to see how I got this look, stay tuned to the video. And yeah. So let's go. No. Oh, I don't know what else to say. I mean, let me know. I don't know if the comment's gonna be, you know, disabled. Like I said in one of my videos before, somebody was getting real not one person, it was like multiple people, because I put a TikTok up on my YouTube a while back, and I guess people didn't like it and whatever, and they was making some weird ass comments, and then they just started going under all my other videos and making some weird ass comments. So I just disabled all the comments. I guess when I get comfortable enough to, you know, put the comments back on, I will. But you can go to my social medias and leave a comment or whatever. Inbox me, DM me, whatever you want to do. You can follow me on all my social networks or all my social sites if you want to. And I'll leave everything in the description down below. And this blouse is from Fashion Nova in a size 3X. So yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get into this look.
Bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a rush. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this too. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me by that work. When you walk out, I'm in the cash from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me by that work. When you walk out, I'm in the car from my church.
Yeah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my
Diamonds on my neck, got diamonds on my records. Since 16, I'm coming down with Lexus. How you gon' neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, you ain't got some lie, Craig. But if I'm my body, you know I'm my body. I'm in the house all alone, you rather go and party. What about my body? You don't want my body. Nigga, look up, nobody, you can make it cost. Let's go. It's time to roll. Somewhere I'll be like, no, I ain't sleeping alone. But you said that you would soon be home. Baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it, I'm not feeling it. On top of you not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all on track. And you acting like it's all of that. I'm not feeling it, I'm not feeling it. Let's go, let's go. It's time to go. Somewhere I'll be gone. But you said that you would soon be home. That was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it. On top of you not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all on track. And you acting like it's all of that. I'm not feeling it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's time to go, let's go. And it includes my sweet little monkey. Ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, little kitty, kitty. He don't want you anymore. No. Let's go, let's go, let's go, little kitty, kitty. He don't want you anymore. No. On my mind, I pass my bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, 'cause I got big deals and I got little things.